Dear students, welcome to class 7. I am Anuradha Roy, your computer teacher. Today, I will take you through the lesson on number system. Most of you know that in early days, people used to count with the help of fingers, stones, pebbles, sticks, etc. Those methods were not adequate and had many limitations. So, many number systems were introduced to overcome those limitations. Here, we will discuss various number systems one by one. Before starting, we have to know the aims and objectives of this lesson. They are to understand number systems, to convert decimal into binary number system and vice versa. To know what computer arithmetic is, to perform arithmetical operations on binary numbers, and we will revise the important points in the lesson. Now we come to the introduction of number system. Number system represents numbers in different ways through symbols and notations. There are 4 types of number system: binary, decimal, octal and hexadecimal number system. In the following slides, we will define the various types of number systems. As we can see, there are 4 number systems. The definitions of the number systems are as follows. Decimal number system contains 10 digits, 0 to 9. They are used to form any number. It has base 10. Binary number system contains 2 digits, 0 to 1. It has base 2. Octal number system contains 8 digits, 0 to 7. It has base 8. Hexadecimal number system contains 16 digits. 0 to 9 equal to 10 digits and A to F equal to 6 digits. It has base 16. You will see the word base written with each number system. So, what is a base? Base is the number of digits used in a particular number system. For example, binary number system uses 2 digits, 0 and 1. So, its base is 2. Base is also known as radix. Now, the rules to conversion from decimal to binary number system. So, children, please listen very carefully. Divide the given decimal number with base 2. See, in the example below, the decimal number 25 is divided by base 2. Write down the remainder and divide the quotient again by 2. The remainder is 1 and the quotient 12 in the example below is again divided by 2. Repeat the step 2 till the quotient is 0. This process is repeated until the quotient becomes 0. In the example below, when the quotient is 0, the remainder is 1, that is in the last line. Now, the remainders are arranged from bottom to top. That is 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, as it is written in the last line of our example. This is the binary number after conversion of the decimal number 25. In our previous slide, we saw how to convert a decimal number into its binary equivalent. Now, we will convert a binary number into a decimal number. The rules of conversion are as follows. Multiply each binary number with its positional value, which is in powers of 2, starting from the extreme right digit. Now, we have to know what a positional value is. Positional value represents numbers according to their place values, starting from extreme right digit. So, the first place is 0, tens place is 1, hundreds place is 2 and the thousands place is 3. The binary number in ones place is 1. So, we have to multiply it with 2 to the power 0. That is 1 into 2 to the power 0 equal to 1. Because 2 to the power 0 equal to 1. Increase the powers 1 by 1, keeping the base fixed as 2. So we keep increasing the power of base 2 according to the positional value. So in the following lines we have 0 into 2 to the power 1 equal to 0 because the binary number is 0 and the positional value is 1. 0 into 2 to the power 2 equal to 0 because the binary number is 0 and the positional value is 2. 1 into 2 to the power 3 equal to 8 because the binary number is 1 and the positional value is 3. Sum up all products to get the decimal number. Now we have to add up the products of all the numbers to get the decimal number. That is 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 8 equal to 9. So the binary number 1 0 0 1 with base 2 equal to decimal 9. Now we will discuss what is computer arithmetic. A computer understands only binary code. So the data received by the computer is converted into binary code for processing. A computer can perform various operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. This is known as computer arithmetic. Now students, the question is, in what form does a computer receive data? A computer receives data in different forms: digits, letters, symbols and special characters. During internal processing, the data is converted into binary code that a computer understands. It further converts the binary results into their decimal equivalent for the user to understand. Now we discuss the rules to add two binary numbers. Here two inputs represented by variables a and b, when added a plus b, it gives the output c. Now with reference to the example, while adding 1 plus 1, the output will be 1 0, where 0 is written under the same column and 1 is carried over to the next place. Then in the second column, the carried over number is added with 1. The output becomes 1 0. Now 0 is written under the same column and 1 carried over. Now the carried over 1 is added to 1 to give the output 1 0. So the addition of 1 0 1 with base 2 plus 1 1 with base 2 equal to 1 0 0 0. Now we discuss the rules to subtract binary numbers. Here a and b are two inputs to give the output c. So children, we have to follow the rules as written in the binary subtraction table. Now with reference to the example, while subtracting 1 minus 0, the output will be 1, is written under the same column. In the next place to the left, 1 minus 1 equal to 0, the output will be 0, is written under same column. Then 1 minus 0 equal to 1 is written under the same column. Now we discuss the rules to multiply two binary numbers. Now with reference to the example, while multiplying 1 into 1 equal to 1 is written under the same column. Then 1 into 0 equal to 0 and 1 into 1 equal to 1 in the next places to the left. In the line showing by arrow, again 1 into 1 equal to 1, 1 into 0 equal to 0 and 1 into 1 equal to 1. Now after adding, then we get 1 1 1 1. Now we will discuss binary division. The method to perform division of two binary numbers is same as that of decimal numbers. Now with reference to the example, while dividing 1 1 0 base 2 by 1 0 base 2, we will get quotient equal to 1 1 and remainder equal to 0. So we must understand that we have to follow the binary addition and subtraction rules to perform multiplication and division of binary numbers. In reference to this chapter, I am going to introduce with two great personalities, Aryabhat, India's greatest mathematician and astronomer, who introduced the concept of zero, and Gottfried Leibniz, a German mathematician who introduced the modern binary number system. So, in conclusion, we see that computers understand only binary code. The commonly used number system is decimal number system. The binary rules to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication and division are same as decimal numbers. We can perform arithmetical operations on binary numbers. So children, in our next class, we will discuss and solve objective problems from this chapter. Thank you.